What's up, YouTube? We back with another taste testing video. Today we're going to be tasting Coca-Cola.
Why you been so loud? It's 12 o'clock, bro.
Oh, goodness. Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
It's 11:52.
Coca-Cola.
Anyway.
Zero.
Oh, it's from Marshmello, the artist. Marshmello, the artist.
You know, I didn't know who that was until like a couple weeks ago.
You didn't?
Fortnite?
No.
Or did you just find out?
No, a guy watched, his name is Sean Does Magic. He met him and then he put it on his channel and I was like, who is this guy? And then, you know, he is on Fortnite. I do have his costume. Yeah.
I got the little samurai
I thought that was a Fortnite thing.
He did a concert on Fortnite too.
I thought that was a whole Fortnite thing. I didn't know that was an actual person.
Pearl, you might want to get a can because this is watermelon strawberry.
I said that.
Yeah, you got a cup right there.
I'm getting the can, so you getting the cup.
I'm getting a can.
You've already been drinking out of a cup, so
it makes sense. So
and it's already been used.
Yeah,
by you. Soda.
You got sodas right here.
Thank you.
I'm definitely taking
anyway.
A can.
So, Marshmello. Depending on how much this taste is, the other one's gonna be for my cousin.
Hey, boy, yeah.
Cause she like Marshmello. You can get it from my store or Go Puff.
Let's do this thing.
Anyway, remember that when I say I'm coming from Reeks.
Let's tire it out, bro. We all get one or what we doing?
No.
There's only 2 regulars and 2 zero sugars.
I want the other can.
I would just put me some.
You get the other can when I say it was for my cousin.
Well, why is it over here then?
How does a watermelon strawberry if it don't look like the color? I guess because it's a dark color.
It's Coke.
Why the other can over here then?
That's zero sugar. We tasting. This is the regular one. The other one's zero sugar.
What the fuck would we try sugar? Give me more.
Please.
Yeah, damn. You want to say give me that? Damn, give me that shit.
You ain't even tried yet. You don't know what the fuck it tastes like.
Give me more. This shit is good, though.
It smells good, though.
Hey, Scooter. This shit tastes good.
This is like one of the sodas we had before.
It does, but I want more, though. I want more. More, please.
Right? Even taste his yet.
I did. I took some sip.
It tastes like more like regular Coke with just a hint of some other shit in it.
It do taste good, though. It's a weird taste, though.
Because it's watermelon strawberry.
Someone's picking up your order.
Ain't that serious. But yeah, it's a 10 out of 10.
Excuse me.
So, you originally get these from Walmart. And like the little refrigerators that be in the front by the registers. Or sometimes they'll be in the soda section. You know, with all them. Oh, you about to cry.
Or he just walked off on us.
Right there.
We never had no shit like that happen in the taste test. He walked off on us because his girlfriend called.
No explanation. That nigga said, fuck us.
I mean, I seen it happen on his phone, but.
Oh, yeah, that was right. Excuse me, I did burp, though.
Anyway, so 10 out of 10 for regular, which is, you know, you get it from Go Puff or you can get it from Walmart. I don't know about any other spots, but it's originally from Walmart.
Mm-hmm.
So now we about to taste the zero sugar.
Without Brandon.
Yeah.
Until now.
And these are also limited editions. I don't know if he said it before. That's what I think they taste like. They kind of taste like Coastal Jolly Ranchers. Now this is zero sugar.
Don't pour that shit on that, John. It's sugar. It don't got no sugar in it. I know it ain't gonna taste good. It's great.
It doesn't, but it's still good.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. What that have to taste?
Okay, now the zero sugar tastes like Jolly Ranchers. This one, I don't know. There wasn't that many of them, so I couldn't really get 4 of them. Them motherfuckers was buying them junks. Oh my goodness. But it is a major difference, of course, in the zero sugar. So we
I think that's about it. I mean,
yeah, you know.
The first one was 10 out of 10. The second one's 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. You being generous for the second one. That shit is 6, 7.
Is this like our third Coca-Cola? Yeah, third Coca-Cola. No, I think our first Coca-Cola was the Starlight one.
Excuse me?
Starlight Express. I
Starlight
think.
Express. Starlight
I think it
Express.
is. What today is? July 28th.
I did get more gold platinum points.
By buying more games.
Buy more games and, you know, just play the games.
Let me buy some games.
Close out the thing.
Oh, you want me to exit up?
Not you, nigga. No, nigga.
Johnny.
Was waiting for Harold.
Shut up.
Bitch.
All right. Oh, I'm sorry. I had to do this Pokemon Go thing.
Fuck Pokemon.
All right. So you guys know how it is. Follow us on social media and our other YouTube channel, and bang, bada boom, bada bang. And catch us on our other social media. You can follow us on Twitter and Instagram, all that good stuff. Not Brandon, since he walked off on us for a booty call. And then we'll be in the next video, on our next Coca-Cola video. So yeah, take care. Goodbye.
Johnny.
Yeah.